Hey there. So this is our target for week 7. It's going to be an intense week because we have approx 8 chapters to do in this week. So bio, we will focus on sexual reproduction in flowering plants, big chapter, ecosystems and environmental issues, easy topics, lot of concepts to do, but each of these topic will have 2 MCQs each one of this will give you 2 MCQs, so it's like 8 marks for from each of these chapter. Chemistry, we have polymers, we have atomic structure, we have nuclear chemistry, also known as chemical kinetics. So this will give you around 2 MCQs. This both together could give you 2 MCQs, so let's say one each. Then you have in physics, we have electric charge and field and electrostatic potential and capacitance. ये दोनों मिला के you can expect around 2 to 3 MCQs. So this week is going to be packed up, 8 chapters to complete in our target. So let's just check how our daily schedule looks like. So this is our daily target for week 7. So on day 1, every day we are going to do 3 chapters. So sexual reproduction, I have allotted 3 days because they are lengthy topics in that. It's an important chapter. So 3 days for sexual reproduction in flowering plants, 2 days for ecosystem and environmental issues, 2 days each. It should actually get over in a day if you put your 100%, but if not, no stress, let's utilize 2 days each. Then in chemistry, polymers we will complete in 2 days. Let's say for the first day we do classification of polymers, type of reactions, polymerization reaction. In the next day we'll do molecular mass, biodegradable polymers, commercial importance. So 2 days sufficient to finish this topic. We will allot 2 more days for atomic structure. So let's say यहाँ पे we are doing atomic model, Bohr's model of atom. Here we are doing quantum mechanical model. So 2 days sufficient, and 3 days we'll utilize for nuclear chemistry. Since it's a little lengthy topic, 3 days यहाँ पे rate of chemical reaction कर दिया, factors affecting reaction कर दिया, यहाँ पे chemical rate reaction equation कर दिया, and temperature, dependence of the temperature, your collision कर दिया, collision theory कर दिया. So 3 days sufficient to do nuclear chemistry. Numericals, everything could be completed in this duration. So 2 days for polymers, 2 days for atomic structure, and 3 days for nuclear chemistry. Now coming to physics is going to be a little task here because it's an important topic. Electrostatics का topic है. 3 days allotted for electric charge, 3 complete days, and 3 days for electrostatic potential. In the 7th day, whatever is left, if electrostatic potential is pending, do that. If electrical charge chapter, anything from that chapter is pending, then do that. But I'm sure you will need all these 7 days to complete physics for this particular week. And if you're able to complete all these 8 chapters in this week, it's going to be great. Try completing all these chapters within this week itself. Of reading every day on the concept or on the chapters that's allotted, 5 hours of MCQ solving, 50 bio, 45 chem, 15 physics. This would come up to 110 MCQs daily, and 1 hour of revising in the end. And in the 7th day, if you get time, you will also give the test at our website, MCQ test at the, and try revising what you had done this entire week. Remove at least 1 hour to revise what you had done in the last week. The last week's chapter, remove just 1 hour to go through those important formula, important concept, anything that you've underlined from the chapters of last week. Okay, 1 hour to do that, just 1 hour. So that's it. This is the week 7 goal sheet. It's an important week because there are a lot of chapters, lot of important chapters, 8 chapters to do in this week. Try giving your best and completing all of this within the set time. Okay, good luck and see you in week 8.